What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a shoe care academy going on my set, and we're gonna be taking care of these super beat, trashed Black Cat Jordan 4s from 2019. This is one of the most requested shoes to clean up on the channel. That's why we're taking care of them today. Over the last couple years, the specific retro has really skyrocketed in value, and it makes sense. The 2006 retro is no longer wearable. I don't think they're gonna release the SB4s that they tease us with, maybe in the future, but for now, this is all we have and we gotta take care of it. But you guys know us, we did the complete opposite. We did not take care of them, we trashed them, just so we can educate you guys on the proper way to clean up these shoes. This is worst case scenario. Nobody's wearing their expensive Black Cat 4s to this point. We did everything to these shoes. We wore them for several weeks straight. We covered them in grime, brake dust, dirt, mud, poured liquids on them. After that, we let it sit for several days just so it can marinate in the material and not just be surface dust. Now it's time to take care of this mess and get them back to brand new condition using our Rejuvenator signature shoe cleaning kit. Let's get it started. First things first, as always, we gotta put the left shoe to the side for before and after purposes. And next, we're gonna take out the shoelace and insole to give us a thorough cleaning separately. All right, we got the lace and the insole out. The guys at Rejuvenator did a great job dirtying the shoe. I would say some of this dust is a bit overkill. It's on the insole and on the shoe. It's kind of getting in the way. So before I grab the air compressor, I'm gonna grab my trash can and give the shoe a good bang. For this, we're gonna go to Mini Rose because they have a much nicer compressor. Good to go using the compressor. We get a lot of that grime and dust completely off the shoe. It's gonna make this cleaning a lot more easier. I realize a lot of people don't have compressors. That's okay. You can simply use our soft bristle brush, spend a few minutes, dry brush the entire shoe all around, inside and outside. The idea is to get as much surface dust off. That way you're not pushing the dust and grime deeper into the material. Like I mentioned, we are gonna be using our signature shoe cleaning kit, and I am gonna put the shoe inside the washing machine. The signature shoe cleaning kit contains all three brushes, medium, soft, and stiff. You need all three brushes to do a proper clean. It also contains our 4-ounce bottle of solution, a Rejuvenator towel, our laundry bag, and 2 shoe trees. We're also gonna be using our detergent pods to give the shoe a thorough clean in the washing machine. We got our trusty mat to keep everything nice and tidy. And of course, we got our dry rack bowl combo to keep the brushes nice and dry after everything's done, and the container to hold the water and solution. Let's get started. First things first, let's grab our shoe tree, adjust it to the size, and put it inside the shoe. Right now we have a little bit of creasing. That's gonna help get rid of it. Next, we're gonna grab our solution and squirt 2 squirts inside our bowl of water. Solution's in place, we got the shoe all prepped, ready to go. The first brush we're gonna be using is our soft bristle brush. The idea right now is to get the shoe super lathered up, inside and out. Right now we just wanna break down the grime and dust that's been built up on this black nubuck. All done with the soft bristle brush, the uppers and insides look great. Anytime you're cleaning up Jordan 4, make sure you take your time and get in the little corners, such as behind these little eyelet pieces, the wings, the back tab. A lot of dust and debris gets stuck in those areas, so make sure you brush that stuff out. Also, when it comes to the netting, there's layers to it, so also spend a lot of time in those areas. Now, I know this is an all black sneaker. You really can't see the grime and dust anymore. However, if it was a white shoe, you would see it all day long. The grime is on there. That's why you gotta take your time, even on a black shoe, to get all that stuff out. Even on the insides matter just as much as the outsides. A lot of bacteria and germs build up in there, so make sure you wash that stuff out. Next, we're gonna be using our medium bristle brush. We're gonna go over the entire midsole and air unit to get it nice and shiny again. Good to go with the midsole. The paint job and the air unit look shiny again, so we're all done with the medium bristle brush. Next brush, our stiff bristle. We're gonna go over the entire rubber outsole to get it back to its brand new black color. Good to go with the cleaning. This shoe looks amazing. Now let's grab our towel so we can pat it down dry. Alright, let's put this to the side for a second and move on to the lace and the insole. The lace and the insole are black. You can't really tell that they're dirty, but they are dusty and they can look a lot better than this. So real quick, we're gonna grab our medium bristle brush and give the insole a good scrub. All done with the pre-treatment of the shoes, lace, and the insole. As is, they look great. The black is back to black. I could leave it as is and finish it off here. However, these shoes have been worn by somebody here at the office. He completely destroyed them. I know there's a lot of sweat and germs inside the sneaker. The best way to get all that stuff flushed out is by putting them in the washing machine. This specific sneaker is 100% safe to put in the wash. Not all black suede shoes are safe, but the nubuck on this shoe is safe. So the idea is to put the shoe inside the sneaker laundry bag, put them in the washing machine with the insole and lace, as well as our detergent pods. After that, we'll let the shoe dry and we'll have a clean, disinfected sneaker. Got the shoes out of the washing machine, we let them dry for several hours next to a fan, and I gotta say, this shoe looks great. It's back to being fully black. All the grime and dirt that was sitting on the suede that was making the shoe feel really crusty got fully washed away. The sneaker also smells good inside and out. That's thanks to the sneaker laundry system. The shoe tree also worked wonders and reshaped this toe box nicely. As I mentioned it before, nobody in their right mind is gonna ever beat up their Black Cat 4s as bad as we did. We did that on purpose to show you guys that our products work wonders and that the shoe is 100% safe to put in the washing machine. As you can see, nowhere on the sneaker is there any separation. Also, the nubuck on the sneaker does not bleed, so you don't have to worry about that. If your Black Cat 4s are dirty from average wear and tear, you can get away with just using a dry brush cleaning simply by using our soft bristle brush with no solution. Go around the entire sneaker to brush off any surface dust. You can also use a compressor or canned air to remove all the surface dust like I did. It works wonders. If it's a little dirtier than that, you could use our essential shoe cleaning kit. It comes with our soft, medium, and stiff bristle brush. Between all those 3 brushes and our solution, you could give the shoe a good deep clean, pat it down dry, and it'll be back to black. Real quick before we lace it up, a clear indication that the shoe's been worn a lot are the laces. On the end of both sides, there's a lot of fraying and lint going on. I don't like that, so real quick, with the lint shaver, we're gonna shave that off. Lace is all cleaned up. Let's go ahead and lace this shoe up, put the insole inside so we can do the last step. All laced up, the shoe is basically done. The last step we gotta do is use some mink oil and our horsehair brush. The shoe doesn't bleed, it doesn't fade. However, nubuck has a tendency of looking ashy depending on where the material is combed. So real quick, we're gonna spray it onto the brush it all around the sneaker, and get a nice consistent black. Alright guys, that's going to bring us to an end on this cleaning of these 2019 Black Cat Jordan 4s. For this one, we used our signature shoe cleaning kit, our detergent pods, our cleaning mat, and our dry rack bowl combo to give the shoe a proper deep clean inside and out. These shoes were completely filthy inside and out, so we put them in the washing machine. However, not every Black Cat 4 is going to need that. You can use our dry brush kit and our essential shoe cleaning kit to give the shoe a proper deep clean. It all depends on the condition of your Black Cats. Last thing we use is our Rejuvenator mink oil to get a nice consistent black all around these sneakers. You want to use this stuff on any cleaning you do on these shoes. Just so you guys know, these Black Cat 4s were super easy to clean up. If you follow this video carefully, you shouldn't have any issues at all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Vick Almighty. I'll catch you guys next Monday. See y'all.